Make bobble back charms with me.
Yeah!
Out of shoelaces. Here's what you need. Round paracord 4mm in diameter. I'm making the bobbles in 2 sizes. For the small ones, there would be 3 loops. They will require 100 centimeters each. The beads are 1.4mm. As for the bigger ones, there would be 4 loops, and they will require 120 centimeters each. The beads are 1.8mm. You could also use marbles for this, with a longer cord, as the holes are not strictly necessary since we are wrapping the beads entirely. But these wooden beads with big holes are so much easier to work with. Jewelry glue with a fine tip, 1 keychain ring, scissors, and a rubber band. To start, add glue to the ends of all your cords. Secure the beads and wait for the glue to dry. Here is a little tip. If you have trouble getting the cord into the bead, you could take a little piece of dental floss and do this.
Wow!
Let's start with our monkey fist knot for the small bobbles. Wrap the cord around your fingers. There should be 3 loops. Count the number of loops on both sides of your fingers. Stop once you have 3 loops and turn your fingers to the side. Repeat 3 loops on both sides. Now remove your fingers. Create 3 loops on this dimension as well. Trace back to the start of the cord and remove slack by pulling the cord very slowly in one direction. Make sure it is not too tight. When you are done, leave it aside and continue with the rest of the bobbles. For the big bobbles, remember to use 4 loops instead of 3. You could click on the video card to watch the last video where I made the big bobbles for fruit keychains. Now that we are done with the bobbles, put them together and insert the loose ends into the keychain ring. Adjust their heights according to what looks good to you. Then place some glue generously on the cords and fold them together. Use a rubber band to hold the cords in place while the glue is setting. Next, we are going to make a gathering knot. Cut a piece from the loose end of your longest cord. Make a U shape and place it where you applied the glue. We are going to wrap backwards towards the loop. Make sure that your tail is long enough for you to pull on later. Wrap the cord around your work tightly, about 4 to 6 times. Finally, insert the remaining cord into the loop. Pull the tail so that the loop is hidden inside the middle of the knot. The last step is to cut off all loose ends. Add glue to seal. And pinch the ends to hide them as best as you can. Here is your finished back charm. So cute! We are at the end of the video. Check out the shop link below, like and subscribe for more. One Bliss!